Q1. Which of the following is the main virulence factor that allows Staphylococcus aureus to evade opsonization? 1. Coagulase, 2. Protein A, 3. Enterotoxin, 4. Hyaluronidase. Answer 2. Protein A. Protein A binds the Fc region of IgG, preventing opsonization and phagocytosis. Q2. Which organism is catalase positive and coagulase positive? 1. Streptococcus pyogenes, 2. Staphylococcus epidermidis, 3. Staphylococcus aureus, 4. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Answer 3. Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus is both catalase and coagulase positive, unlike most other gram-positive cocci. Which bacterial toxin is heat-stable, causes food poisoning, and is produced by Staphylococcus aureus? 1. Botulinum toxin, 2. Enterotoxin, 3. Exotoxin. 4. Erythrogenic toxin. Answer 2. Enterotoxin. Staphylococcal enterotoxins are heat-stable and cause rapid onset vomiting and diarrhea. Q4. Which antibiotic is first line for treating MRSA infections? 1. Ceftriaxone, 2. Vancomycin, 3. Amoxicillin, 4. Azithromycin. Answer 2. Vancomycin. Vancomycin is the drug of choice for MRSA. Linezolid is an alternative. Q5. What is the likely mechanism of action of Clostridium botulinum toxin? 1. Inhibits protein synthesis via EF2. 2. Inhibits acetylcholine release at neuromuscular junctions. 3. Activates adenylate cyclase. 4. Forms pores in host membranes. Answer 2. Inhibits acetylcholine release at neuromuscular junctions. Botulinum toxin prevents neurotransmission, leading to flaccid paralysis. Q6. Which Clostridium species is associated with pseudomembranous colitis? 1. C. tetani, 2. C. botulinum, 3. C. difficile, 4. C. perfringens. Answer: C. difficile. C. difficile overgrows after antibiotic use and releases toxins causing colitis. Q7. Which test is used to identify Streptococcus Agalactiae? 1. Dick test, 2. Camp test, 3. Coagulase test, 4. Nagler test. Answer 2. Camp test. Camp test is positive in Group B Streptococcus, S. Agalactiae. Q8. Which of the following causes gas gangrene? 1. C. difficile, 2. C. perfringens, 3. C. botulinum, 4. C. tetani. Answer 2. Perfringens. C. perfringens produces eye toxin leading to tissue necrosis and gas gangrene. Q9. Which of the following does not produce spores? 1. Clostridium tetani, 2. Bacillus anthracis, 3. Streptococcus pyogenes, 4. Clostridium difficile. Answer 3. Streptococcus pyogenes. Only Clostridium and Bacillus species form spores among gram-positive bacteria. Q10. The toxin responsible for erythrogenic rash in scarlet fever is produced by 1. Streptococcus pyogenes, 2. Streptococcus Agalactiae, 3. Staphylococcus aureus, 4. Clostridium tetani. Answer 1. Streptococcus pyogenes. Erythrogenic toxin from Group A Streptococcus causes the red rash of scarlet fever. Q11. Which antibiotic is used orally to treat C. difficile colitis? 1. Ceftriaxone, 2. Vancomycin, 3. Amoxicillin, 4. Erythromycin. Answer: vancomycin. Oral vancomycin is used because it stays in the gut where the infection is localized. Q12. Which bacterial species can cause neonatal meningitis and is CAMP positive? 1. Streptococcus pneumoniae, 2. Streptococcus pyogenes, 3. Streptococcus Agalactiae, 4. Listeria monocytogenes. Answer: 3. Streptococcus Agalactiae. Group B Streptococcus S. Agalactiae is a major cause of neonatal meningitis. Q13. Which bacterial toxin inhibits inhibitory neurotransmitter release, leading to spastic paralysis? 1. Botulinum toxin, 2. Tetanospasmin, 3. Streptolysin, O4A toxin. Answer: 2. Tetanospasmin. Tetanospasmin blocks GABA glycine release, causing muscle spasms and rigidity. Q14. Which organism forms double hemolysis rings and produces lecithinase? 1. C. tetani, 2. C. perfringens, 3. C. botulinum, 4. S. pyogenes. Answer: 2. C. perfringens. On blood agar, C. perfringens shows a double zone of hemolysis due to Pha toxin. Q15. What is the recommended treatment for tetanus? 1. Oral vancomycin, 2. Antitoxin injection and supportive care, 3. Amoxicillin and steroids, 4. Ceftriaxone only. Answer 2. Antitoxin injection and supportive care. Tetanus treatment includes antitoxin, wound debridement, and supportive care. Q16. Which gram-positive coccus appears in chains and is catalase negative? 1. Staphylococcus aureus, 2. Streptococcus pyogenes, 3. Staphylococcus epidermidis, 4. Enterococcus faecalis. Answer: 2. Streptococcus pyogenes. Streptococci are catalase negative and form chains, unlike clustered staphylococci. Q 17. Which enzyme is produced by S. aureus but not by streptococci? 1. Streptolysin O2, DNase 3, coagulase 4 hyaluronidase. Answer 3. Coagulase. Coagulase is a hallmark enzyme of S. aureus. Streptococci do not produce it. Q18. Which gram-positive organism produces protein A as a virulence factor? 1. Streptococcus pyogenes 2, Streptococcus pneumoniae. 3. Staphylococcus aureus. 4. Clostridium perfringens. Answer 3. Staphylococcus aureus. Protein A binds Fc region of IgG, inhibiting opsonization. Q19. Which test differentiates alpha hemolytic streptococci, such as S. pneumoniae? 1. Optogen sensitivity test. 2. CAMP test. 3. Coagulase test. 4. Catalase test. Answer 1. Optogen sensitivity test. S. pneumoniae is sensitive to optogen, unlike other alpha hemolytic streptococci. Which toxin is responsible for the neurologic symptoms seen in canned food botulism? 1. Aflatoxin. 2. Enterotoxin A. 3. Botulinum toxin. 4. Tetanospasmin. Answer 3. Botulinum toxin. It blocks acetylcholine release at neuromuscular junctions, leading to paralysis. Q21. Which of the following enzymes helps Staphylococcus aureus penetrate host connective tissues? 1. Streptokinase. 2. Hyaluronidase. 3. Lecithinase. 4. Neuraminidase. Answer 2. Hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase breaks down hyaluronic acid in connective tissue, aiding spread. Q22. Which virulence factor allows Streptococcus pyogenes to evade complement-mediated phagocytosis? 1. Exotoxin A. 2. Protein A. 3. M protein. 4. Coagulase. Answer 3. M protein. M protein binds complement regulatory proteins, inhibiting phagocytosis. Q23. Which test is used to detect susceptibility of Streptococcus pneumoniae? 1. CAMP test. 2. Bacitracin test. 3. Optogen sensitivity test. 4. Nagler reaction. Answer. Optogen sensitivity test. S. pneumoniae is optogen sensitive, unlike Viridan's streptococci. Q24. Which feature distinguishes Clostridium difficile toxins? 1. Neurotoxic inhibition of GABA. 2. ADP ribosylation of EF2. 3. Inactivation of Rho GTpases causing cytoskeleton disruption. 4. Acetylcholine receptor binding. Answer 3. Inactivation of Rho GTpases causing cytoskeleton disruption. Toxin A and B of C. difficile inactivate Rho GTpases, leading to cell rounding and apoptosis. Q25. Which condition is not commonly associated with Streptococcus pyogenes? 1. Impetigo. 2. Pharyngitis. 3. Rheumatic fever. 4. Botulism. Answer 4. Botulism. Botulism is caused by C. botulinum, not Streptococci. Q26. Which bacterial structure allows Streptococcus pneumoniae to resist phagocytosis? 1. Teichoic acids. 2. Lipopolysaccharide. 3. Capsule made of polysaccharide. 4. M protein. Answer 3. Capsule made of polysaccharide. S. pneumoniae has a thick polysaccharide capsule, a key virulence factor. Q27. Which of the following antibiotics is not effective for oral treatment of C. difficile infection? 1. Metronidazole. 2. Phytoxamicin. 3. Vancomycin. 4. Ceftriaxone. Answer 4. Ceftriaxone. Ceftriaxone is a third-gen cephalosporin that can cause C. difficile overgrowth, not treat it. Q20. Which organism produces a superantigen leading to toxic shock syndrome? 1. C. tetani. 2. S. aureus. 3. S. pneumoniae. 4. C. perfringens. S. aureus. Staphylococcal toxic shock syndrome toxin, TSST1, is a superantigen. Q29. Which gram-positive bacillus produces endospores and causes flaccid paralysis? 1. Listeria monocytogenes. 2. Clostridium botulinum. 3. Corynebacterium diphtheria. 4. Bacillus cereus. Answer 2. Clostridium botulinum. C. botulinum forms spores and produces neurotoxin, leading to flaccid paralysis. Q30. Which bacterial enzyme is most closely associated with fibrin clot formation in S. aureus infections? 1. DNase. 2. Coagulase. 3. Hemolysin. 4. Streptolysin. Answer coagulase. Coagulase converts fibrinogen to fibrin, aiding in abscess formation and immune evasion. Let me know